Diyan kami nakapunta sa Times Square. Naglibot-libot lang kami tapos may nakita kaming ano doon, yung famous na restaurant. Search ko na ano yung pangalan ng restaurant na yun. I don't really like sandwich, but when I tasted that kind of sandwich, like, oh my god, I love this. No, that's not. Hold on. Katz restaurant. That's it. Katz, Katz. That's what it is. I love the sandwich over there. Yeah, it was so busy when we went there. Palagi naman silang busy. Ang daming tao, no? You have to be on the line. Yeah,